without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kashia Jabre, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install and style this ginger super duper cute and perfect for the fall hair. I got this hair from Unice, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. But before we can get into anything, I'm going to show you guys what all they sent in my package, because they sent me some goodies and I really want to share it, so I'm going to show y'all what they got me. I just cannot get over this hair. This is like, and it's so natural, like the curl pattern just gives me very much natural ginger, you know what I mean? Definitely not getting rid of this wig. This wig is mine forever. This is the box that they sent it in, and inside, oh, I forgot how much they sent me in here. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Okay, so first things first, they sent a dust bag that says Unice, and this is what I will be putting my wig in once I take it off. This will keep my wig safe, and it'll keep it not, you know, tangled up and everything, just in the mix. I love when they send me these bags. So helpful, because I keep all my wigs in these bags. Next, they sent me this cute little goodie bag, and I already see some lashes in here. This is what they look like, y'all. Super cute. And then they sent, I believe this is a band, like an elastic band to tie down your lace with, which I did not know that was in here, and I could have used it, but it's fine. I got some other ones. Oh, this is a bonnet. They also sent me a bonnet, y'all. This is super duper helpful. I got so many bonnets and scarves now thanks to these hair companies, because they keep me lit. Okay, so what's this? I think this is another bonnet. Hold on, y'all. I told y'all they sent me a lot of goodies this time. Cause they sent the wig, like, it was 2 different bags, so I knew it was gonna be a lot. Oh wait. This got actually like a scarf. Okay, so this kinda, you see how it goes? Like there's a band. Oh, and it says Unice. It's a band on here where you can tie it in the back, and that's how you secure the bonnet. That is, I'm gonna use this. Oh my god. Okay, next, this is a, I believe this, yep, this is a makeup brush. This is so freaking cute. I love this. Like, I don't even know, I'm good at my makeup, but y'all, I still don't know what does what, like when it comes to brushes. So I don't even know what I'm gonna use this for. Probably powder or blush, I don't know, but this is hella cute, and I can tell like it's good quality because it's just the way that it feels. So thank y'all for sending me this. It's been a minute since I brought some makeup brushes. And then on top of that, y'all, they sent me 3 packs of wig caps. This is 2 pieces in each one, and so now I got 6 wig caps. Okay, so these next 2 is my favorite out of the whole thing, because it's just like, wow, like y'all really sending me the goodies. But they sent this little jewelry box that says Unice, which is so cute. And then inside is this ring that I believe to be their logo. Let me see. Yeah, this is their logo on a ring. Let me see if I can even fit this, because my fingers are so small. Oh, it got it to where you can adjust it. Okay, that's smart, y'all. All right. This, oh, let me not use this hand. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god. This is so cute. My nails are dirty because I've been doing my makeup, but this ring is like the cutest ever. I wonder, is it real? Like, am I gonna be able to like get it wet and stuff like that? Last but not least, y'all, and this right here, I ain't gonna lie, it is on my heart, because if you know me, you know I love robes. Like, I don't know if y'all can see back there, it's like 3 different robes, and then I got more robes hanging up on the door. So like, I love robes. So when I saw this, I'm like, how did y'all know? And it's pink. Like, oh my god, this is my first time opening it, because I wanted to save my reaction for the video. Y'all, this is so cute. And it says Unice on the back. Oh my god, I'm gonna put this on. I ain't gonna lie, this is like the best wig package I have ever got, like with the most stuff, I believe. Like, I've never got this much stuff inside of the box. So I'm just like taken back, like, damn, y'all like me this much? I just want to say thank you, Unice, for sending me all this super duper cute stuff in my bag. I really appreciate it, and I love this robe so much. It's so perfect. But I'm not gonna ramble anymore, but y'all already know, before we hop into this video, y'all gotta give your girl a big old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. You already know all the links and everything on this hair will be listed in my description box. And I may actually have a coupon code down there, so don't forget to check it out. But yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain. stressed away from you. Making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you want to do? If you want it, say the word, try it. And now whatever I'm not fulfilling, another woman is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you my body and spirit. When you come home, tell me on my shoulder, I will over. Baby, it hurt you. I'm here to serve. All you need, even if it's not yours. I'm gonna do.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Okay, so y'all, this is how my hair turned out. I love it so much. I feel like this color just fits me so well. I don't know why, I just never thought ginger would look this good on me, but I'm really feeling it. Like, I really love this hair, and I really love the curl pattern of this hair. I've had in this wig for about, I want to say it's been at least 4 or 5 days now since I had in this wig, and I just want to say that I have not had any issues. It get a little bit tangled, but I feel like all curly hair gets a little bit tangled, but for the most part I have not had any more issues with this hair. Minimal shedding. All I do every night is just like twist it up in a flat twist and then put a bonnet on and go to sleep and wake up. And when I wake up, I just put some water on it, brush through it, and it's right back to this curly state. I love this color. Like, I cannot say, it's just like chef kiss on my skin. So, and I feel like it's perfect for the fall. So if you guys want to purchase this unit, I will have all the links on this wig in my description box, as well as a coupon code, so you might want to check down there. But this pretty much wraps up this video, y'all. I really love how my hair turned out. Hopefully I get some good pictures. Check my Instagram at Kashia Jabre. If I do post, I might post. I need to post. I'm gonna post. So check my Instagram, like my pictures if I have some up. Before we close out, y'all already know that y'all gotta give your girl a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel, because my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.
Spot my love.